The sound NASA won't explain. In 2012, a microphone left on the ISS picked up a sound nobody put there. Not static, not mechanical, rhythmic, like breathing. But here's what makes this one different from every other space mystery. The sound wasn't coming from the station. It was coming from inside the recording itself, embedded between the audio waves. Only visible when the file was slowed down 40%. An acoustic engineer named Chen Wei discovered it by accident while analyzing interference patterns. She slowed down the file, saw the shape, and immediately closed her laptop. She didn't tell anyone for 3 days. When asked why she waited, she said, "Because I recognized it. I don't know from where, but I recognized it." Here's where it gets to you. They released the raw file online in 2014. Thousands of people downloaded it. Forums exploded, but the comments all said the same thing. People who slowed it down reported the same reaction Chen Wei had. Not fear, but recognition. Like hearing a word in a language you were never taught. Scientists say it's auditory pareidolia, your brain forcing meaning onto noise. But then why does everyone recognize the same sound? And why after you hear it, do you feel like something has heard you back? Don't look it up tonight.